Hey, this is Chris Menard. I appreciate all the comments on my YouTube channel regarding Zoom video communication. I keep getting asked, does Zoom virtual backgrounds, you've got image backgrounds and you have video, do they work with the Zoom free account? The answer is yes, and I'm going to prove it in this video. The second question I get asked a lot about the virtual backgrounds is, why do I not see virtual background when I start a meeting? I'll answer that question also. So let me go ahead and get started by starting a Zoom meeting. So one of the first things that you want to do if virtual background is not working in Zoom, whether you have a paid account or a free account, because it does work in the free account, is go do an update first. So I'm actually, just to show you this, I'm in my free account. It says buy a license at the bottom. And it also says basic at the top, which basically is your free account. And there's my meeting limits of 40 minutes right there with 3 or more. So go and run your updates first. So I'm up to date. Perfect. Close that. So when I go start a new meeting, here I am. I don't want to do that. So bottom left, click the arrow for my video. I am expecting to see virtual background and I don't. I've got my Logitech camera and I have video settings. Even if I go to video settings, virtual background, I'm expecting to be over here on the left and it's not. Close that. So I would end this meeting. I'm going to go pull up a browser, pulled up, signed into my account already, go to settings over on the left hand side. After you go to settings, I'm going to just do a Control F and look for virtual, close enough, VIRT, virtual background. Turn the virtual background on. There is no save, it just did it. Close this. But here's the trick. Just to show you this, I'm going to start another meeting. I'm back. Hey. It is still not down here. So what you need to do is actually sign out of your Zoom account. You've already done your updates. Sign back in. New meeting. Here we go. There is choose a virtual background. I have 25 video backgrounds on my Zoom support page. Feel free to go there. I have also the Zoom keyboard shortcuts for using in a meeting. Here's the default none, which is what I have right now. Those first 3 images are already in Zoom by default. The first 2 videos are in Zoom by default. There's an image, there's an image. I have added some images myself. If you want to know where to get images for Zoom background, there's a poll up in the top right corner. Click it, please. But if you want to get videos for your Zoom background, we just created 25 free videos that all work with Zoom. Go to my Zoom support page. Everything's there, including all the keyboard shortcuts. So there are the 2 answers. Zoom does work. Zoom virtual backgrounds do work with the free account. Also, the trick is update Zoom, go to the web, make sure virtual background is turned on, back to Zoom, sign out of it, sign back in. Should work. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I appreciate your time. Have a great day. Keep the questions coming. Thank you.